Hi guys, again this is Lordy, ang tito mong psychologist. And for today's video, we'll be talking about some of the latest researches in psychology and mental health. It's actually part of my New Year's resolution to impart some of the knowledges that I've acquired from reading different journal articles or research publications. Alright, so I guess we can start. If you've been subscribing to my video, you may notice that I am an enthusiast of the benefits of sleep. So let's start with the recent research about sleep. This is according to Zhang et al. According to their research, people who knows that they went through a good dream the night before has a better capability of managing their emotions well towards the succeeding days. Yan ang findings ng research ni Zhang et al. And they explained that as a person go through these dreams, it gives them an opportunity to process information better about their day-to-day experiences. According to their research, it even let them forget about the mundane information that are not that important and focus on those things that are relevant to their day-to-day lives. So it confirms some of the recent researches that were also published elsewhere, that dreams are basically responsible for letting us integrate our day-to-day experiences so we can use it to solve novel problems that we are about to encounter in our day-to-day lives. It also at times help us solve those problems that seems unsolvable towards the previous days. So, malaki talaga ang tulong kapag nakakakuha tayo ng magandang panaginip. And it's not just about the meaning of those dreams, but instead, about its occurrence. Because we know na kapag tayo ay umabot sa pananaginip, ay umaabot tayo dun sa isa sa pinaka-importanting stage ng ating sleep, known as the rapid eye movement or REM sleep. When we get through and get enough of this REM sleep, most likely we will be having a restorative sleep, which is one of the criteria to tell or to identify whether we have a good night's sleep or not. Okay? So, sana po ay may natutunan tayo in that short clip, and I'm hoping to talk more about sleep, dreams, and other related things about our psychology and mental health. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Again, this is Lordy, ang tito mong psychologist.